Women can face unique challenges in making their voices heard in the world of business. While we have made great strides over the years, I feel there is one area of personal development that can have a powerful influence as we navigate the ranks of management. Helping women to communicate with greater confidence and authority is critical in today's business world. Our approach shows women how to bring more of who they are to their overall executive presence and engagement with others. We provide a 2-day workshop for women taught by our women coaches. It's a safe forum to discuss communication issues uniquely faced by women and affords an opportunity for learning and self-discovery on becoming more effective in this important competency. I'm Lauren Marlowe, CEO of Speechworks, and email us to schedule a time to talk.